If you've lost access to your Outlook account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Outlook account recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the extra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Outlook account. Make sure to double-check for any typos before proceeding. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Select the option that states you cannot access your verification codes. This may include options like I don't have any of these or I can't access my email. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. This could include questions about your previous passwords or personal information. Step 5. Provide alternative contact information. If you have set up an alternative email or phone number, provide that information. Microsoft may send a verification link or code to that alternative contact to help you regain access. After completing these steps, follow any additional instructions provided by Microsoft. If successful, you should be able to access your Outlook account again.